Welcome back to your go-to destination for in-depth motorcycle reviews, riding tips, and the latest industry news. If you're passionate about motorcycles and adventure, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Suzuki V-Strom 650XT, a bike that has been a staple in the adventure touring segment for years. Known for its versatility, reliability, and performance, the V-Strom 650XT continues to impress riders worldwide. Whether you're an experienced adventurer or someone considering your first dual-sport motorcycle, this review will provide you with all the information you need. At the heart of the V-Strom 650XT lies a 645 cubic centimeters, 90-degree V-twin engine. This liquid-cooled, DOHC engine delivers strong torque in the low to mid-RPM range, making it ideal for both city commuting and long-distance touring. The engine's design ensures smooth power delivery and impressive fuel efficiency, allowing riders to cover long distances without frequent fuel stops. Suzuki has equipped the V-Strom 650XT with its advanced traction control system, which continuously monitors front and rear wheel speeds, throttle position, and engine speed. This system adjusts engine output to prevent wheel spin, providing enhanced stability in various riding conditions. Riders can choose between 3 traction control modes: Mode 1 for minimal intervention, Mode 2 for more aggressive riding, and Off for complete control. The 6-speed transmission offers precise gear shifts, and the Easy Start system allows for quick ignition without pulling in the clutch lever when the bike is in neutral. This feature adds convenience, especially during urban commuting. The V-Strom 650XT features a twin-spar aluminum frame, contributing to its lightweight and rigid structure. This design enhances handling and stability, whether you're navigating city streets or tackling off-road trails. The 43mm telescopic front forks are spring preload adjustable, while the rear suspension is a link-type coil spring with rebound damping adjustment. These features allow riders to fine-tune the suspension to their preferences and riding conditions. The 19-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels are shod with Bridgestone Batlax Adventure A40 tires, designed specifically for adventure touring. These tires provide excellent grip on various surfaces, from paved roads to loose gravel. The wire-spoked wheels not only add to the bike's rugged aesthetic, but also offer better shock absorption on rough terrains. Versatile adventure touring motorcycle. Its blend of performance, comfort, and off-road capabilities makes it an excellent choice for riders seeking a bike that can handle diverse terrains and long-distance journeys. Whether you're commuting through city streets or exploring remote trails, the V-Strom 650XT is equipped to take you there. Thank you for watching our in-depth review of the 2026 Suzuki V-Strom 650XT. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow motorcycle enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to / your channel name, for more reviews, tips, and the latest in the world of motorcycles. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.